This is a summer sari look that I did. It has no liquid foundation and it has no liquid eyeliner. Let's see how I did this. I really like these contact lenses. It goes well with Indian skin tones. This is Pure Hazel by Fresh Look. I'm going to first moisturize my face. Sunscreen and all, everything is done. If you want to see my skin routine, go to YouTube, type Sreenanda Shankar skin routine and you will find it, although it's for dry skin. So, because I'm doing looks for summer now, at least based on the fact that I live in Mumbai, and even if I was in Kolkata, I would not use liquid foundation. Moisturize really well, so your powder foundation and your concealer, everything glides on well. Now we'll go in with the concealer. Use the concealer wherever required. If you have more spots somewhere, use it at that part and dab it out. No need to layer. This is just to get rid of some redness, and it will still be lighter than liquid foundation. This is the PAC 281 brush. It's a foundation brush. It was in front of me once again, so I'm going to just use it. Doesn't matter. A little color correction and a powder foundation is good enough for daily makeup. Oh, I forgot to use a lip balm. You can use a lip balm or a lip plumper, whatever you like. I'm going to be wearing a white sari, so that's why I'm going to wear it later. I don't want to drop any makeup on it. Now I'll take my powder foundation. This is the PAC 245 brush and this is the MAC Studio Fix. Just apply it lightly. Then your skin won't fold up, won't have crease lines, and it'll look smooth. And you won't have like foundation melting on your face. Use with a light hand and preferably with a brush. Set your eyebrows with a gel so that they stay in place. If you need to draw it, go for it, but still set it with a gel. I'm going to do a very light summer makeup because whenever I wear Indian clothes, somehow I use lesser makeup, keeping the look natural because I don't, it kind of balances it out. I like it that way. I'm going to use the Huda New Nude palette. Use a palette of your choice. Make sure the shades are like, really light. Then I'm taking the PAC 204 brush, this pink. You can get a similar shade in any brand. Tap off the extra and contour your eyes. Take it up to your crease line, and if you have hooded eyes, take it further up. And what's left on your brush, bring it down to your outer lower lash line. And please use brands of your choice. The colors and the products are all available in various brands. Light natural makeup is one of my favorite things to do. This is the PAC 217 brush, and I'm going to go in with a little darker shade, like a brown like this. I'll just put it on the outer corner. And I'm using a soft brush because I don't want harsh lines. Take it up to your crease line, stick to the corner and make the strokes from outside to inside. And again the rest on my lower waterline. Same with the other eye. It's really easy. Now with a clean brush, just blend it in. Just keep blending. Make sure you use a clean brush. This is also the pack 204 brush. I keep a few of them. It's really nice for blending. Okay. My eyelining will always be with a Kajal, and you know how I do it because I don't want to use a liquid liner, and the lining is also quite soft. So let's do this. Line your upper eyelid as thick as you want, and it does not need to be neat. This is the pack 208 brush. I'll just blend it out and the line will become neat, and your eye will be lined as well. Now how thick you want your line to be, you can adjust that with the smudging. Some people just do this step and let it be. See, that's where it's uneven. Smudge it out, it looks neater. But smudge it immediately after application. You don't want the kajal to dry out. Now say if you want to make this a little smoky, just the upper eyelid, take the dark brown with the same brush and then just shade it on top. Use a brown here, not a black. It'll soften it up. Now go back in with the brown and just shade your lower lash line a little bit. If you want to fill it out with kajal inside, up to you. I don't want to do that. And then I'll take a little darker brown like this and increase it on the outer corner. I'm going to use a mascara. I'll use the Huda Legit Lashes mascara. I'm going to first use the volume side. Now I'll use the curl and length side. Now see what a difference mascara makes. Just line and fill out your lips with a nude lip liner. It makes your lipstick stay longer. Now use a lip liner to define your lips that will go with your lipstick. I'm going for a very neutral summer look, so I shall choose a lipstick like that. I'm obsessed with these Fenty Beauty lipstick cum gloss products. This one is called Blazed Donut. Please feel free to use any lipstick, any glossy lipstick or a lipstick and then a gloss. I'm just using this because I love it. Contour my face a little bit. I'm using a powder contour. It's softer, just with a general soft brush. It's subtle for daytime. This makeup is for daytime. Put some on your jawline as well, but if you have a round face, avoid this part. Flatten the same brush, put it on the two sides of your nose, and it's good enough. I'm going to use this dark blush, but it won't stay that dark uh, once you blend it in. This is Baddie Berry by Huda Beauty. Just blend it out well. It's quite a beautiful color. I'm a little tanned today because I was out in the sun, but that's a part of life. I'll touch up my Studio Fix. It will just brighten up your face. I don't bake it because it looks too dry. This is such a versatile powder foundation. I just love it. Use a highlighter of your choice. I'm going to just set my makeup and I'll come back and see you once I've worn my sari. So this is my look. This sari is from Kolkata by Tia Pakhi. I will tag them. I'm thinking I will increase my Kajal a little bit because the lips are light. So let's do that. My neck piece is from Zara. I love Zara jewelry. It's very neutral, yet very glam. Little bit of black. Because my lips are nude, I just thought I should increase the eyes a little bit. I'll also make it a little smoky. Whichever palette I found. Let's see if it has a brown. Yeah. So I'll take a brown that looks like this. Again, this is the PAC 208 brush. Just make it a little more smoky. Sometimes I like to adjust my makeup after I worn my outfit. So then you know what to add or what to reduce if possible. I think I'm good to go. Do try this makeup. You can try it with any kind of a white sari. I really like this sari. And I just think this look kind of brought in my summer looks properly on Makeover Madness and on my YouTube channel. And why not with a sari? I'll see you soon with some easy, doable, relatable makeup looks where you don't have to use 10,000 products. Till then, take care and stay glam.